Ma, tengo hambre, comida.
Chico, baja entonces que se enfría. Bienvenidos Life Recipes with Zulma. Welcome back, my friends. Today I will be making a recipe that the whole family loves, Baked Ziti. I'm going to explain to you the first part of the recipe. You're gonna need a large sauce pot. You're gonna turn the heat to high. You're gonna add 4 quarts of water and a dash of salt to the water. When it starts boiling, you're gonna add the most important ingredient of the recipe, which is Ziti, 16-ounce box of pasta. Then you're gonna let it boil for about 10 to 12 minutes. Okay, so the second step, you're gonna need a baking pan 9 by 13 inches, non-stick oil spray, and we're going to preheat the oven to 350. Okay, my friends, the third step consists of 1 large skillet, a pound of ground turkey, and if you want to do a veggie option, you can use cauliflower, spinach, green, and red bell pepper. The full recipe is in the description down below. Half of a medium onion, 1 tablespoon of salad olives, 3 sprigs of cilantro, 3 sprigs of parsley, a dab of oregano, and a dab of basil, 3 minced garlic, and pasta salsa 24-ounce. I'm using roasted garlic herb, but you can use either one. Then you're gonna mix all those ingredients and you're gonna cook it for about 10 minutes. Now that the sauce mixture is done, we're going to start filling up the baking pan. First, I'm going to put half of the pasta in, one layer. Then I'm gonna add some cheese. Then I'm gonna add the sour cream. And then top it off with half of the sauce mixture. Then we're gonna start again. I'm gonna finish with the rest of the pasta. Put in some mozzarella cheese, the sauce mixture, and then sprinkle the top of it with Parmesan cheese. Put it in the oven, and then we're gonna let it bake for 20-25 minutes. Okay, my friends, the pasta is done. It looks delicious. I can't wait to eat. I'm so hungry. Okay, so now I'm going to serve. Look at this. Oh, this cheesy. Garlic bread. And voila. Thank you, my friends, for spending this time with me today. I hope you have a great weekend, and I'll see you on Monday. Bon appetit!